Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Many a time students at JMD Academy ask me, sir, how to clear Merchant Navy interview, sir. There is so much to do. We have to prepare for IMU CT, we have to do physics, we have to do assignments of chemistry, we have to do aptitude. Then, sir, we have to prepare for interview as well. Sir, it is too much to do and we are not able to do that. And the advice that I give them, I am giving to you as well. And that is, don't think of the result, just start working on the process day by day. And that working on the process starts by preparing 5 questions every day. So if you are smart, then you will have all the questions that are being asked in the Merchant Navy interview, say IMU CT interview, right? Say the question list is of 200 questions, 250 questions, say 300 questions. Okay, now if there are 300 questions and you decide that I will every day prepare 5 questions, that I will write the right answers, I will check whether they are right, I will understand their explanation as well, why it is like this, why it is happening, and then I will stand in front of mirror and revise as well. Not once, not twice, but I'll repeat it 3 times so that I know those 5 answers are prepared really well. See what an interviewer would love to hear. He wants to hear about the scattering effect. He wants you to know that you understand what is scattering. Then he also wants to know that you understand dispersion. Then he also wants to know that you understand that violet scatters the most but it does not have its own color. Indigo scatters the most but it does not have its own color. That is a violet plus indigo plus blue forms the blue color, and that is why oceans are also blue in color. Now if something like this you have prepared well, and if you can speak well, say the question comes, can you tell me what is Archimedes principle? And if you can say immediately, so when a body is wholly or partially, now this is very important, wholly or partially immersed in a fluid, then an upward force acts on it, which is called buoyant force. This buoyant force is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body. Then the next question can come is, what is weight? What is force? So that is how you have to prepare. And each day, if you can prepare 5 questions diligently, 5 questions diligently means you just do not have to write their answers in notebook and done. You have to see that you have understood them. You have to see that all the cross questions coming from this answer, you know them well as well. And also you have to stand in front of the mirror or give a mock interview to a friend at least twice for that particular question. Once that is done, that means your 5 questions are done. Now you do that every day. Within a span of 30 days, 50% of your job is over. And God forbid on Sundays, if you can do 10 questions, 60% of your questions are completed. Then next 40% can be completed over here, over there, or in a span of another 10 to 15 days. So within a span of 40 to 45 days, you are damn ready with the interview. And that is what is the need of the hour. With this, all I can say is, keep working hard, कीप स्टडिंग, स्टेप बाय स्टेप सब होता है. जुनून रखिए, हिम्मत रखिए और आगे बढ़िए. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.